This practice, we have the Brinell, the Rockwell, and the Beakers machines tester, and we will going to check about a template piece and about the one that it's not, and we will going to see how the harness goes up. Here we have the Brinell tester that you need to have your piece that it could be steel or aluminum. If it's aluminum, the charge is between 1,000 and 1,500, and if it's steel, it's above 2,000 or even 3,000. Then you put the piece over here, and the ball need to touch the piece, and after that you will going to set the charge with this button, and then you need to pull this one over here, and you need to wait 15 seconds, and after that you will going to push it in order to do the mark. Then when you have the mark, you need to look for the size of the mark with this telescope, and then you will going to have the table where you're going to know about the exact number of the hardness of this material.
This is the most important machine for makeup harness proofs. This works. First, you need a pattern to do a test, and you need to put it here with the indent, and it need to show you 60 more or less 5 in here. And when you know that it's okay, you need to put your sample down the indent, and you need to do you need to turn this 2 times, and with that you need to check that the hands move 2 times, and when all of this is okay, you need to push it to the half of the distance, and the hands need to move, and the number that you will see here, it's the number of your test or your final result. For that, this is the most easy machine for any kind of hard test.
The biggest test was performed for a capsule lake for 1018 and 1045. The process was performed to the measurement is put the sample in the Beaker machine, select a charge of 300 grams forms, and it was applied by 50 seconds, and this make a diamond. In this sample, we have the measurements of the lines vertical and horizontal of the diamond. For the first test, the sample of 1018, the average was the 40.45 microns, and the hardness to check in the manual of the laboratory of the Beaker machine, the hardness was 341. For the second test, for the sample of 1045, the average was the 45 microns, and the hardness was the 285.
On the template in the 2 metals, we have to measure the new hardness of the surface. That is why we're using beakers, and we're going to use manual beakers and automatic beakers. With the manual beakers, the first thing that we have to do is to fix the piece, and then we have to turn the revolver to the indenter and press start when it is ready. The charge of the indenter is 300 grams, and it is going to be in the piece about 15 seconds. Then it is going to go up. Then we have to turn again the revolver so we can see with the microscopic, and we can measure the diagonals of the diamond. Once we have measured it, we can calculate the area, and with that we will know the new hardness. And with the automatic beakers, it is much easier because we just have to put the piece in the microscopic to focus it and then press start.
After we finish our practice, we get our results for the Brinell and Rockwell machine, and they were okay. Then For the Beakers automatic machine, we looked that one of the piece was hardest than the other one.